Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel and if you appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both QQQ and SPY gapping down. They're currently trading very close to yesterday's closing price, but it shows a clear uptrend. So I don't have a bias on the direction the markets are going to head today. I'll wait for market open to see how they react. As usual, going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. I have a strong feeling that the stocks are going to head lower today with the news around Russia, but I'll wait for confirmation. I like to see how these stocks react at market open to pre-market highs and pre-market lows, and then I'll be defining my trades based on that. We do have around 20 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Tesla, Nvidia. Tesla making a move to the upside. Can be a fake move. Tesla bounced off this level. It was flushing for a minute and then it actually reversed. So I'll wait for confirmation. I like the 820 area support to be broken. Only then I'll be interested to the put side. Buffer looks good to the put side, but we don't have enough option volume. There's a reason why I'm staying out of BABA, else it was a good setup. If I get in this trade, I may end up staying longer in that trade. I may not get a quick exit, which normally I don't like. Unfortunately, that's the only one setup I have today. Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon going sideways, no clear direction. Maybe I have to stay out today. Watching ROKU to the call side. Not a great setup, but better among what I have for today. Waiting for a pullback. 460 I'm placing. Not sure whether I'll get it. 480. Yep, 465 on the bid. I'm sitting at 460. Bummer there. Bad luck. Can it fill me now? Yep, I'm in. The next tag would be around 116.50. Watching carefully. Looking to sell at 490. Can I get out? Yep, I'm out. 30 cents just to get my feet wet. As I said, this market, quick scalps is what I like to do. I got in at 460, got out at 490. I'll keep watching ROKU for a second trade now. But now I'll be interested in 1116.50 because on the daily we do have support around 1116. So I'll keep watching, but right now I'll go ahead and pause. ROKU making a pullback. If this level holds, then I think ROKU has the potential to make a bigger move to the upside. But if it fails, I think it would be a reversal. Right now, watching closely. Around 1 minute for this candle to close. QQQ falling, and for me, no setups as of now, but I'll keep watching. Now watching ROKU for a second trade. This level can act as a support. I'll be quick. Watching very carefully. So ROKU did not give me the pullback that I was looking for when without me, but I'll stick to my levels. The only reason why I'm watching ROKU even at 9:30 Central Time is because ROKU has good volume. Over 1 million shares traded in the last 5 minutes. Now back to 750 area. So frustrating. I was sitting at 710. Can Roku give me a quick pullback? We do have around 4 minutes for this candle to close. Maybe this is going to act as a level of support. Placing an order around 8:10. Cancelling my order for now. Oh my god. Testing my patience. Roku doesn't want to give me a second trade, but I'll give it some more time. Getting in at 780. Didn't get filled again. Cancelling. I've been sitting around for a while right now, and I'm so annoyed with Roku. Even though it gave me one trade, my only winner for the day. Throughout the day, I was trying for a second trade on Roku, and super annoying and super frustrating. I think I'm not in a great mood to continue trading. So I'll wrap it up for today. Overall, an okay day of trading, making $300 in one trade. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.